I just got in my INFUSE stuff. I ordered it straight from the website because they had a 20% off coupon thing. So I bought a bunch of stuff. It took probably 2.5 weeks, but COVID's going on right now. I got this one, which is the all-purpose sprayer. And I got the glass and window, which is unscented. And these are non-toxic, so love that. And they come with these little things. You just add water. I make them with distilled water because I can't use the water at my house. It's not safe. So, and it's super hard, so it would just probably ruin the cleaner. But I figured I would do a little video with them and like show me using them a couple times at clients' houses or at my house or wherever I'm cleaning. But I don't ever film, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, I also got these little, just the close up, these little cloths, 2 of them for glass and window. I'm gonna only use these at home because I have too many cleaning clients, so I don't really want to do that. It gets funky. Some people's houses are a little bit funky, but that's okay. I just don't want to ruin them at someone's house or something. But I guess I will film me filling them up, and then later on in the week or whenever, I will show me using them. Maybe if I don't forget. So right here, I can't use the water at my house. I can't even drink it. And so I used distilled water to put this in. I noticed that it does take a little bit for it to infuse, but if you just let it sit and stop shaking it, it'll just do its thing. And then the next clip, it goes into what it looks like when it's infusing, which I thought was really cool. This is all I ordered from the website, actually. I don't know why I put it there. So here's a clip of a dirty mirror. And I hope I filmed it correctly because it's so hard to film mirrors. But this is the unscented window cleaner. I love the scent. Like, it's so... There is a scent. It's like just a really nice and clean scent. And I was using my microfiber for this. And then there's the after. That little mark at the end was something else. And then here's a shower using the bathroom cleaner. Oh, it was so gross. And then it ended up coming up really well, considering. And those were water stains. Here's the glass cleaner. Or no, this is the bathroom cleaner too. And that works so good. All my videos are so fast. But I rubbed it into the glass because that's how I clean. And that's it, dry. Amazing. I used it on this sink too. Just a little after shot. I didn't use the before shot. So it's been a month maybe of me trying the INFUSE Clean. So I put together all kinds of videos and whatnot of me using it, but it works so good. And I'm so glad because it uses so much less plastic and so much less waste, and it actually works, and I'm not choking when I'm trying to clean. So I hope that everyone liked watching this review. I know it's like a newer company, the INFUSE CLEAN or Casabella or whatever you want to call it. I think Casabella makes it. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but all in all, it works great. 10 out of 10. Like, I would recommend it to everybody. I haven't tried the mop yet, which I don't know if I'm going to, because I'm like really into my steam mop. Like, I love my steam mop so much because it's like sterilizes pretty much, because it burns the germs. So I don't know, if I do get one, I'll definitely update, but otherwise I'll put links down in the description. I bought mine straight from the website, which I think I mentioned in the beginning, and you can get it from Target. So I don't know, if you're ever like wandering into Target, that's where I first picked mine up. Yeah, thanks for watching.